What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Beemer Fam. You guys join me here with my straight pipe BMW M4. And today we're hitting a coffee run by hitting cars and coffee down at Period Correct. As you can see, obviously the M4 is looking beautiful in itself, but just check out the views out here, 7 o'clock in the morning. The Valley, LA, just looks gorgeous. There's also a nice house with the M850 in the driveway. That is gold. Damn, look at that Aston Martin. Jeez. Both blessed being said, let's hop inside the M4 and get on the road. So now you guys join me inside the M4. So we're on our way to Cars and Coffee, and first we're gonna rip through Mulholland Drive and get a nice Spirited drive to wake me up in this early morning. First and foremost, look at those views. That is absurd. You can see the Hollywood sign. Wow, it is beautiful up here. You can see downtown LA and everything. The way this car handles is unmatched. Got a nice fellow M4 owner. Sack here orange. Oh, this car is amazing. But now we're gonna slow it down a bit. Just insane view. It doesn't get old out here. See, we have the M4 parked up. We're about to just walk around the meet a bit, catch the vibe, and we're gonna go inside and check out and see what they have in store. So we are inside Period Correct, and check out this Pagani Zonda S, naturally aspirated V12 manual. Oh my God! See the interior, you see that 6-speed manual right there, and just look at the wing mirrors on this car right there. The paint has like a blue pearlescent hue to it. It's obviously dominantly yellow, but there's carbon fiber everywhere. The headlights, right in the middle. Look at the aerodynamics on this car. You have all this airflow coming through here. Got airflow going into the vents to feed the engine. But then you see these little carbon fiber splitters on the wing. And the roof is actually see-through, which I didn't even know. Man, check out the exhaust on this Pagani. I mean, the quad outlet, obviously, so you can hear that V12 noise, but also look at the girth of this rear diffuser. I mean, full carbon fiber, 488 Pista. Obviously the spec is unmatched, but look how the airflow just slips through the hood like that. Nice M2 as well, but this is gorgeous. Also check out the wheels on this thing. Oh my God. Wow, check out this GT2 RS. At first glance, it looks pretty simply spec, but once you look closer, you see everything is painted in like a navy blue color. Personally, my favorite color. You can see flooded with carbon fiber everywhere. Wow, look at the wing as well. Gorgeous. And this right here is also nice. V12 with a 6-speed manual. And when do you see that every day inside of a Ferrari? If you guys remember correctly, this is from the movie Bad Boys. So this is Mike Leary's Ferrari. Very familiar. I believe it's the same color and everything, but it's not every day you see one of these, that's for sure. There's 2002 in a beautiful blue type color. Nice sporty seats with the harnesses. Check out the color on this Huracan Spider. Damn, check out this Aventador wide body. Into that, definitely has some kind of exhaust system on it. Doors go up. Check that out. Okay, that car definitely has no catalytic converters, no restrictions. That's how we want it. Look at this Benzito. Benz gang. Shout out to the Automobile supercharged E46. His wife's E92 M3 that he purchased for her. White BMW M gang. You can't really get better than that. Another E30 M3. So now the meat's dying down. Everybody's leaving. What was your favorite car here?
That Pista.
Okay, right on.
But my second one is that GTR. That was so freaking cool.
Okay, and mine has got to be that Pagani Zonda.
Oh, damn, yeah.
That
was good.
But if we're talking like outside, probably the Pista. So we just left the Cars and Coffee, and now we're already out here in the canyons. As you can see, the views out here are immaculate. These are amazing views, and this is also an amazing view. The car's actually clean for once. Past few videos, this thing has been filthy. I love when the car is clean because you can see all the carbon fiber glistens in the sun and lighting like today. And that mineral white paint just looks absolutely gorgeous. Wow. We just went for a little hike, enjoyed the views a bit. Now we're about to hop back inside the M4, strap you guys to my face, and continue on with the POV drive. Oh, that does not get old. Wow, look at the views. Wow. You tell him, Chanel. Say one of my favorite things about owning this car, you almost never have to redline this thing because you always have power with all that torque. I mean, this specific car has more torque than horsepower, so it doesn't really matter what gear you're in. It's a very efficient use of the power. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.